here in front of me iPhone SE 2022, and I'll show you all the box accessories what watch device comes. So the first thing that when we'll open the box will secure our iPhone, and the next thing is the original iPhone USB-C cable here. And we got here also the SIM jack tool and some paperwork here. And there are all of our iPhone box accessories what watch device comes. Unfortunately, we have now here the charger brick, so you should buy the charge and the earbuds separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.